Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Glossier. So let me take you to the website, which is glossier.com. What do you want to know about them? Glossier is a beauty and a skincare brand founded in 2014. Known for its minimalist and natural aesthetic, the brand offers skincare, makeup, and fragrance products that emphasize enhancing natural beauty. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all the amazing product and buy anything that you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Glossier. Is it possible? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Glossier, start promoting them to your audience, your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you'll end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program? As such, I didn't find any restriction. So regardless of your country, you could apply to be part of Glossier affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to earn commission? Well, it seems you would only be able to earn commission if you bring sales to them from the consumers of Canada, United Kingdom, and United States. So that's the restrictions I was able to find. Now let's talk more about joining the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Sovan, or rather Sovan Commerce. Now, Sovan, why are we talking about them and what it has to do with the affiliate program of Glossier? So Sovan is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network as well in most of the cases. So in our case, you have to join Sovan as an affiliate, which is of course for free, which will allow you to join the affiliate program of Glossier. So you'll find the link in the video description. Simply follow the link, which will take you to a page like this. Over here, you can click on sign up, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on continue with Google or just enter your email address and password followed by further steps, which will create an account of yours with someone. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when you create an account, though it will be free, but as I said, many things you have to keep in mind. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Sovan or rather Sovan Commerce. You'll find the link of that video in the video description as well. Click on the link, follow the instruction from there, get yourself an account with Sovan Commerce. And once you have created an account, come to the website once again, click on sign in, Sovan platform, which will take you to this section, enter your credentials, which will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Glossier. But in our case, we will focus on the affiliate program of Glossier only. So to find the affiliate program, simply click on commerce and then you can click on approved merchants. Over here, you can go to the search bar and start typing Glossier, followed by an enter. You will see their affiliate program listed in here. As you can see, Glossier, and commission rate is 5%. So this is how much you could end up getting commission from Glossier if you bring sales to them. For more information or to create link, you can click on Glossier, which will open their program page details. Now over here, you can say you could get commission rate of 5%. If you click on domains, that means you can create tracking links for any of their websites. You can click on countries and you can see you would only be able to get commission if you bring sales to them from consumers of Canada, UK, and US. Right, so since we found the affiliate program of Glossier, what's next? We can start promoting them, but to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link, which is associated to you specifically. So how do you create or get your tracking link? For that, you can click on create a link while you're on the Glossier information page. This is Glossier information page, the steps you followed. Once you're here, you can click on create a link and you can select your site. So I have selected my YouTube channel. In your case, when you're creating an account with someone, you end up giving your site details. So you can select your site from here and then you can mention product URL. Now, any tracking URL that you want to create, for example, if you want to create a tracking link for the homepage, just select this homepage URL and come to the dashboard once again, and in here just enter the product URL. It could be homepage, it could be any other URL of Glossier. And once you have mentioned the product URL here, give it a name. I'm gonna name it as Glossier homepage. So like this, you can give it a name, any name that you prefer. If you want to add in more, you can click on tracking optional and add other details as well. Advanced settings you can also explore, but we're gonna keep it very basic. Basic means just put the URL, put the link name, and once you have done it, click on create a link. What this will do, this will create a link for you. You can, and it will also copy the link that had been created. So you can just paste the link here. You see, this is a tracking link it created from me, and I can click on enter. And you see, it will take me to the homepage of Glossier. So this is a link that I can basically share with my audience, with my traffic. And if someone buys anything through this link, I'll end up getting commission. Right, so the links that you will create like this, where would you see them? For that, you can click on create and links. It will take you to this section where you would be able to see all different tracking links that you have created. You can always copy the link from here and share it with anyone that you like. Of course, it has to be your audience or traffic. Now, you have learned how to create tracking link and how to and where to manage it. But where can you promote Glossier? That's another question, isn't it? Well, there are many ways. Still, I'm going to cover a few. One way you could promote them is through website or blog. It doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can promote them. Put the advertisement on anywhere on your website which you feel like is more suited for your audience, maybe on the homepage or category page. That's totally up to you. Now, blog could be amazing because blog gives you an option to create different blog posts on different products of Glossier. So maybe you can create different blog posts about different products of Glossier and then put your tracking link associated with that product in that blog post. So this way, when people would reach your blog for post, will click on your tracking link and will buy the product. And in the end, you will end up getting commission. Second option here is the social media, which I feel like is more suited because you could create content on social media. You might want to create different reels of different products and put your tracking link somewhere in the description. The reel description or the video description, totally up to you. Then the third way, which I like is more suited here, is to beauty and cosmetic website. Now, why would people come to beauty and cosmetic website? To find different products, to beauty products or cosmetics, isn't it? So maybe if you would have a website like this, you could create a standalone section for different types of products or Glossier, and you can advertise those products on different sections on your website. And this way, when people would come to your website, explore those products, click on the tracking link and buy something, you'll end up getting commission. So these are some of the basic ways through which you can promote Glossier, and you could start earning commission based on the sales you bring to them. Now, the other question arises, where would you see your performance for all the sales that you're bringing to them? For that, you can come to your dashboard once again, and over here you can click on analytics, and this is a place where you would be able to see different performance of yours. It would be the revenue, clicks, sales, conversion rate on all those details, and this will give an idea. You can also change the date ranges here to get an idea how much clicks have happened, how much revenue has been generated, and all those things. Now, what about the payment of it? So all the commission that will get accumulated here, you would be able to get it from someone, but how exactly can you get it? You have to ensure you have updated your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can come to the bottom left hand side, and over here you can click on account icon, and over here you can click on payment. And when you do that, it will take you to this section. Once you're here, you can update your payment details. You will have 4 different payment methods to choose from. You can either choose check, PayPal, wire transfer, or local bank transfer. Once you have updated your payment details, you can expect to receive commission from someone accordingly. Right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Glossier. You create tracking links for them, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Glossier. For me, if you got any questions related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.